Okay, so the stream has started. Hello, hello, hello. Has anyone joined? Hello, hello. Now maybe my voice is perfect. Hello, 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 hello. I'm audible. Is my voice clear? Any background noise? No, right? No. Rizwan, I had yesterday I started a stream. Okay, in that I had to change the title, so I just closed the stream in just 1 minute, and that freaking stream I got 231 views there. And now my subs are 67. Yesterday it was just 57, I guess. Okay, so I had taken this one trade here in offline. It had hit my TP, but my expectations were still here. I thought that I may get around 50 pips, but then from here on it got reversed, so I had to cut here first to first. Actually, I had set my TP here, trail my stop loss to plus $1, and then I had closed this trade. Okay, then from here only just took this support and it just reverts from here, and my trade got closure. It was 24, now it's 25.79. So fine, leave all that. Let's start new levels, new session. We are focusing more on session timings. Okay, so our new session timings will be London from 12 to 2, New York from 7 till 9 or 9:30 like that. Today I just came early because it's pre-market, but from tomorrow I'll try to come 7, 7:10. Hmm. Rizan, are you there on the stream? If yes, then type yes in the live chat. Yeah, listen, make a Instagram page, Pips Mastermind, and make shorts, man. Whatever you feel like informative or wherever we take trades, uh, cut that part, make shorts and upload there. Mention our YouTube channel there. Okay, this is for gold and for Bitcoin. This is a good resistance. हाँ, क्या कर सकते हैं इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट जो कह रहा. BTC, we are waiting for this level, again following the market structure, creating an inducement, dump. Where are the new people who had subscribed the channel? Hopefully, slowly, new members will also join. How is it going? Yeah, everything fine, dude. Everything good. Thanks for the support. Soon, slowly, we'll flip this account. I had taken one trade in Bitcoin here. I had set TP for 50 pips, but it just gave 35 pips, which is my initial goal. You can say that. But then I did a bit of more greed, because of which it got reversed, and uh, I was out of the trade cost to cost. If I just show you, one second, I'll just show you. Mm, how to close this? What? I had to book more, but there was a support from there, because of which I had to close the trade soon. It went 35 pips, but then it reversed. But no problem. Now the plan here is we'll go for a sell side trade. We are waiting for Bitcoin to come to this level so that we can plan a sell side trade here on a liquidity grab. Where are you guys from? What strategy do you guys trade? If you know me, you guys don't know me, right? You are seeing me for the first time, so I'll tell you what strategy basically do I use. Okay, till there is a move in gold or Bitcoin, I'll just show you what am I doing here on live. So basically, I am trading from past 4 years now. This is my fourth year here. So this is the journal which changed my whole life. Okay, I regularly journal my trades here. So all my mistakes, everything here, each and everything I have journaled here. So based on this, there are like many trades. You can see. So there are many trades. So based on this, I have made my own strategy, my own journal, like my own checklist. That is this. Will you go for any gold? Yeah, definitely. I am planning gold to like I'll wait for first of all to gold to come to this level. Let me first see in 15 minutes time frame what's gold doing. See, dude, there is two structures. Okay, one is internal structure, one is external structure. This is the external structure of gold, like in higher time frame because I'm scalping. So this is called the external structure in the higher time frame. If I go to 1 minute time frame, like in the like 15-minute time frame, what do you see? Gold is bullish, right? But in 1 minute time frame, gold is bearish. So this is called the internal structure. So I have to understand what's happening in external structure. Okay, fine. Okay. So basically, gold is in a bullish trend. Okay. So what we'll plan here is, okay, let gold break this level. Okay. Let gold first of all. 1 second. Back. Back. Okay. Fine. Uh, there are multiple taps on this resistance here, which means there are many sellers who are active here. So the stop losses are up, and market goes in that direction where the stop losses are. Fine. So we'll let gold break this resistance. Will not enter here immediately because the retailers enter at the first breakout. So let them enter. Market will remove them. Okay, the market makers will remove them. Then again in the second time when it crosses, then we'll go for a long side trade from here. So this is the plan in gold as of now because gold is bullish in a 15-minute time frame and all. Yep, gold is bullish, higher low. You can see this kind of move, a kind of W type. So I'm going for a buy side trade here. I'm keeping an eye on it. I'm gonna trade only two pairs here because there is no point trading many pairs here. Two pairs, master only two pairs and trade on the two pairs only. And my strategy works well on Bitcoin and gold. Others also it works, but I don't believe in other pairs much because there is not much volume in that pairs. So I'll just tell you what basically I trade. Okay, so basically I trade market structure with demand supply, and I include the main thing is that is liquidity. So I include these three things and have made my strategy. How I'm gonna flip is okay. Where is this? I have designed this. This is practically possible. Okay, this is possible. I have tried. Okay, I have tried this. It's possible to some extent. I have taken withdrawals also. Now again I'm restarting it. I had reached till 2000, then again I have withdrawn that profit. Now again it's in my trust wallet. Now again I'm starting this from 20. So now today our goal will be ending at $32. Fine. So slowly we'll just compound and we'll go till 1 lakh 5,000. I'm not telling it will happen in next 30 trades. There will be losing trades also, but I have the strategy how I have to manage my drawdown. Okay, so this is what I will be following, and this is my checklist. And each and every trade I'll take, I'm not gonna be like in a rush here. Okay, when you rush, you lose. So whenever my setup is formed, only then I'll trade. If no setup, I'll not trade. Even though if it's 1 or 2 hour stream, I don't care. No setup, no trade. So this will be the key time windows. Okay, this I have backtested a lot. Then this is the final key time window. This is how I'll marking the levels. My how this is how I'll be confirming my bias. Like how I confirm that I have to go for buying because like I saw the price is making a higher high or higher low in the 5 and 15 minutes. Okay, so I know what's the direction of the market. Next, this is my entry setup. If for buying, the support should be broken. 1 minute candle should close below the time, below the support. This is in 1 minute time frame. Okay, save. Then there should be a bullish reversal. Then I'll draw a confirmation trend line. If that breaks, I'll go for buys. Same for even for sells, it's vice versa. This is the entry filters. Like when I have to not take the trade, even if my setup is formed, if any of these forms now, I should just avoid the trade first entry, not the like I'm not avoiding the entire trade. I'm just avoiding the first entry in this trade. So these are the points. Then my stop loss will be 10 pips, TP will be 35 pips. After the 20 pips is achieved, I'm gonna trail my SL to cost. This is how I'm gonna trade. Okay, this is my checklist, my journal, and my lot size. I'm not gonna do anything extra. Only one session, one trade I'll take, one session. So let's see how it goes because I'm trying my best. Let's see how it goes. So the plan for this session is clear. Gold buying. It's in a bullish trend. I already already taken losses over $670. Now I have only 130. Bro, I suggest you do one thing. You have 128 USD left, right? From that, withdraw only 33, not 33. Yeah, $33 you can withdraw. Or you can withdraw $37 and you can take a funded account. Like I have even a funded account. 1 second, I'll just show you. Uh, I have to log in 1 second. I'll just funded from. It's better you go with funded accounts, man. Uh, where will it? Yes. It's off, right? Yeah, perfect. 1 second, I'm just logging my funded account. Yes, now my screen are also visible, right? Yeah. So basically, this is my funded account. Uh, Fine, this is the dashboard. I use funded firm. In funded firm, I have taken 5,000 two-steps challenge, and this is around $33. In this, I'm up around $200, I guess. I've completed it 38%. Yeah, I had completed it 50%, but this big day where I lost my emotions, the day I had lost many trades back to back, because of which there are $78 loss. But again, I have recovered it slowly. And if you see last November month, there are many. No chat, dude. I don't want to chat. Close. Yeah, it's it. Wait. Big wins 37, $139, 27, 33. If you see, my losses are small. Only like there are few days where my losses are big. Like this was one day, and maybe this was another day where I did not control my emotions. But now I'll control my emotions more. So it's better you withdraw some amount and you buy a funded account. Like how I have taken. I have taken step 2 account. You can go for step 1 account. How much is step 1 account? Step 1, $5,000 is $49. Okay, you can please opt an a $5,000 account, and then what do you do is take 0.1 lot. Okay, just take 0.1 lot. Keep your losses like between $10 to $20 per trade, and make a rule that if $20 stop loss hit, you'll just close the day for the. Okay, don't trade more, and keep your target 40 pips, 50 pips. Don't target more. Okay, keep your expectation like how I'm keeping in these challenges. I'm just taking 35 pips, and it's easily achievable. Whatever these greens you are seeing here in this funded account. Open soon, man. You can see what was my peak. I have made good amount of money. Max, where does it show max volume? Yeah, I had taken this account for around plus $250. Now it's in like $50 drawdown, but it's fine. I'll recover it. So best thing you can do, take a funded account, step 1, and then pass it, keep your losses small, around $10 to $20 per day. Keep target $40 to $50. Pass it, you just have to make $5,000, like $500. You'll pass the phase one, you'll get the real account. Withdraw that profits, like in real account, if you make around $600, right, all your losses will be recovered. From that, again buy a $5,000 account or a $10,000 account. This is how you grow slowly. Like I have this account also, I have funded account also, then I have my other savings also, which I have kept somewhere else. So restart your journey, man. It's not tough. You can do it. Just stick to one strategy, one simple strategy. Like for example, I'll just show you a picture today which I saw today. Okay, 1 second. For that, I have to open my WhatsApp. Mm, 1 second. I'll just show you a picture. Your mind will be fully cleared after watching that picture. Okay. Uh, uh, okay. Save it. My screen is visible right now. My screen is visible now. I'll just show you the picture. Suddenly, I was just watching reels. Sometimes just for time pass, I watch it. Suddenly, I was watching. Then this reel popped up. Okay. In this, I saw this image, in which you can clearly see there are two peoples, right? One guy, he has hell lots of technology in radar, this, that, like hundreds of, what is this called, man? Traps, something, strings, fishing strings, okay. But there is no fish here. If the other side, if you see, there is one guy who has a simple, like only one string, and he has not put many equipments in his board. He's so simple, and you can see how many fishes he has trapped, and many fishes attract there only. This means, like, if you have hell lots of knowledge, no, you cannot do anything, you'll just be confused. If the other side, if you have a limited knowledge, like how I have, I just know market structure, I just know how liquidity works, I just know how demand and supply works. I have, these are very simple things, and I have mastered these things, and I'm able to make profits. You can see I'm able to make profits. This no one can fail. Okay, you can see $50, $41, $22 in the previous month, 32, 139, 87, 27, again 33. So yes, I have made. I just have to handle these big losses which I'm making, which yes, I'll be handling from now. So you just have to concentrate. That's it. It's simple. It's better you go for unfunded account, because in real account, I'm sure you'll just blow all that money. Better opt for a funded account, practice, and go. Learn limited strategies, like limited things. Is there any way to do your copy trade on access? Bro, it's copy trading is not necessary. I'll just tell you what. I'll just listen. Go to my channel. Where is my YouTube? Yes. Yeah. I'll just show you what you have to do. Fine. This is my channel. Go to accounts. Array, what the hell is happening, man? View account. In this, see this best strategy to see this video. Okay, in this I have explained my strategy. Okay, like this is the outer, like external part. I have not gone into deep into this. Then I'll just pin this link, okay, of this checklist in my uh, description box. Here what you can do, just follow this for next 30 trades or next 100 trades, like how I have done here. and journal each and every trade, like how I have done here. For example, I'll just show you here. uh, Day 20, I have mentioned the date and all. There was no move whole day because of the major news coming. uh, Took a small scalp. Like you just have to note down like this, okay? And whatever trade you have taken, just paste it here, like just paste it here, and make journals like this, so that whenever you go back now, whenever you just have a losing phase, just go and see where you are going wrong, because the same mistake you have repeated in the past. So you have to make this kind of journal, because see, there are so many freaking trades here, so many freaking trades you can see here. Okay, so I'll just share this with you guys, and then just practice this, okay? And don't copy my trades, it's just of no use, this live streaming and all copying trades will just make you more slow. Instead, if you just learn my strategy, see me for a few months, like 1 or 2 months, just learn and understand how I am personally trading, how I am personally approaching that market. Okay, so after then, uh, personally see me, understand, backtest it. Okay, backtest it, and then learn the strategy and just trade by yourself. The more you trade alone, the more you learn. Because here I am taking the trade. I am using my mind. If my target hits, only I know why the target hits. If the stop loss hits, only I know why the stop loss hits. You will not know the reason. And if the stop loss hits, you will blame me. Okay. But you will not be knowing the reason why the stop loss got hit. But here, if my stop loss hits, I'll go back, I'll backtest, I'll come to know what is the reason behind the stop loss. I'll not do that mistake again. But I am improving here. You are not at all improving here. You are not at all improving here. I was the same like you. I used to do copy trades. I used to follow 100. Like for example, I'll just show you everything here. I don't have to hide anything from anyone. I'm very much transparent guy. You can see he is my mentor from whom I learned Traders Paradise. Okay. There are so many like courses I have taken. Top G, Young Trader, hell, lots of freaking courses I have seen. Okay. I used to go on these people's live daily, freaking daily. I used to go to their live, and I used to sit and watch. I used to copy them. But at one point of time, I felt, what if this guy disappears from the market? Like the person whom I'm seeing, like for example, you're seeing me. If tomorrow suddenly you're making money, okay, by copying my trades, suddenly if I disappear from tomorrow, I'll not be streaming. Then what? Where will you go? You'll be like, you'll be lost. You'll not have any contact to me. Then that time, what will you do? Will you not trade? Obviously you'll trade, right? But there you'll go into losses, and whatever money you have made, right, by copying me, more you will lose the money. So it's better you just focus on yourself. That's how I started to learn. I'll just show you exactly the point where my trading changed. Okay, wow, I just love this journal because it just changed my life fully. I just swear, when I just started this journal, right, writing this journal, there were only 1 or 2 mistakes. At the end, you can see I have made this freaking 29 mistakes. Everything, each and every freaking thing. So this is the trade which just changed my whole trading journey, which just changed my whole career. Okay. After this, I started to improve. Uh, so this was the day 28 2024. It was last year. Okay. So then here I was only thinking about selling because the trend was selling. So I thought, okay, fine, let me go for selling. Then I forgot the basic that I should see buying on support. Though like I thought it will come up, make a trap on the trend line, then go for selling. But I didn't realize the market already trapped the selling. Selling is weak. The trend line breakout was a confirmation for me to enter on the buy side, which gave 60 minutes, 60 pips in 5 minutes. Okay. So here what happened. I'll just show you. Market was falling continuously. Whenever there is a support, you should always think of buying. You cannot go for selling from here. Okay. Whenever there is a resistance, always go for selling trades. That's like high probability. So here there was a support. I was thinking that this may fall, then take a pullback, then again it may fall. Okay, this was the plan. But then I did not see that whoever have sold there, the stop losses are upside. This trend line breakout was a confirmation that I have to go for a buy side trade, because always buy on a support, sell on resistance. This is the foundation of the market. So this was the one trade which just changed my whole scenario. Then slowly, losses after losses. Then I understood my strategy more better when I was trading alone. Okay, I was not following anyone. Then slowly, I've developed this. So hope you got my point. Hope you understand that don't copy trade me nothing. Just see, gain knowledge, trade by yourself, understand. Okay, that is the whole point. Be independent, man. Don't be dependent on anyone. Bitcoin is just falling. We have to wait for a key. And I'll give you one more tip. Okay, don't stick to old levels. Okay, like the levels which are 3 4 days old, because it's just nonsense. Always stick to the fresh levels. So, like example, now imagine, now I'm looking for a sell side liquidity graph from this trade. Okay, I'm like waiting that the market will go up, remove the sellers who are sitting here, and then invite buyers, then hunt their stop loss and fall. Okay, this is the plan. So now what's the time? It's around 3:20 that level was formed. Again it got tapped at 5:15. Again it got tapped at 5:40. Okay. So which means the people are still active on this resistance level, right? People are ready to act on this resistance level. The same if I go and draw a resistance or a support which is 3 or 4 days back. Do you think any intraday trader will keep his position open for 3 to 4 days? No, right? So I always try to follow the fresh level. I don't follow the old, like there is a support here. I can consider it, but it's still a old support. That means that people are not active on this level. Always target those level where people are active. Like here the people are active, okay? So this is the plan. Simple dude. Even in gold, let's see. Okay, there is a buying like buy side breakout here. Let's plan. Always get your direction on the higher time frame. Now, see, all the retailers are freaking buying here, okay? By looking at this breakout, now people are thinking, okay, this is a W, I'll buy. Market will remove them, then it will go. Market is not so good or not so easy that it will just give you target wherever you buy. Understand the market makers, understand where the market wants to go. That's it, guys. You'll just crack the code. Even I'm not perfect, even I make mistakes still, but even I'll evolve myself. Hope you guys, hope I'm putting some values in your guys, like in your like I'm giving some value to your time. You're just watching my stream not for entertainment. uh, Whomever I meet, whomever I give my time, I always make sure that I give some value to them, just not for time pass. Okay. uh, let's wait here. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll wait for a pullback, then we'll go, let the structure continue itself. A higher high, higher low, higher high, a higher low has to be formed, and then a higher high. So we'll enter here. Okay, let the new players get trapped first. We'll go with the real people. If this scenario does not form, does not make sense, no problem, I'm not rushing. If it goes like this only directly, that's fine, but out of 10 times, 7 to 8 times always market will come down, trap, then go. Okay, so always keep this in your mind. We'll follow this. If this happens, we'll enter. If this does not happen, we'll not enter. That's fine. uh, the biggest thing which what's important in trading is this capital. If in rush, if in like if I want to impress you guys, if I just enter here and if my stop loss hit, you guys will hate me, plus I'll lose this capital. If I lose this capital, then I have nothing left. Okay. uh, how many pips is this? 20 pips. Mm, taking rejection from here. Yes, I learned a lot new things. Thanks for that. Yeah, you're welcome, dude. You just be with me, guys. I'll also become a millionaire. I'll make you guys also a millionaire. There is one more guy who joins this stream. Okay, there are two people who stream together, me and my partner. But right now he has gone for Umrah, so he's not there. He'll be back 25th of this month. Then we both will teach you. Okay, it's not me alone who is teaching here. There is my another partner also for whom I have taught, and freaking shit, he makes daily 40 $50, daily 40 $50 $60 just trading my strategy because I taught him that too in 3 months, just in 3 months. Even he was like he was a like zero, he had no idea about trading, but he learned everything in just freaking 3 months. So just dedicate yourself here. Slowly even you guys will grow. I'll just share everything here slowly. You don't have to worry. Hmm. uh, like the stream, subscribe if you like, if you're like getting some value from this stream. Okay, our goal is to reach 150 subscribers at the like till end of this month. We'll go slowly, we'll not rush. Let's wait now for this. Here also, if you see, there is a structure shift here. Bearish here, it broke this, formed a new higher high, higher low. This is a higher high. Higher low has to come, then only a higher high will be formed. So let's wait for that. I basically trade reversals. Okay, whenever what I do is, after a breakout I just measure if the breakout is like less than 20 pips. No, if it reverses from here, I'll just go for a sell side trade. And there is one more criteria, that whichever level I mark, that should have around 2 to 3 taps only. Like this level, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, there are 9 taps, right? That means the stop losses are upside. My strategy, whenever I trade reversals, there should be only 2 to 3 taps maximum, so that the sellers are not available, the seller stop loss are not available much upside. So the market should trap the buyers, then it should come down. But now the sellers are upside, like the stop losses are up. Market will go remove the sellers, come down, trap these buyers, remove them from the trend, then will go up. Coming down. Now again, why am I not looking for sells here is, say this, clearly define 2 to 3 taps in 5-minute time frame. Okay, there are how many taps in this? 1 2 3 4, there are many taps, right? So that's why I'm not looking for any sell side trade now. Even the structure here is bullish. Or else mostly if the taps are less, I just go for sell side from here. My TP will be here. Yeah, maybe this time I may be wrong, or there will be times where your analysis will be wrong, but that's fine. If we had only like this kind of level, then I would definitely sell from here. But now the stop losses are up. I just need more $7, $6 to $7 in 35 pips. If I take from 0.02 by less risk, I'll just reach my $32 target today. Hmm. This would have been a good sell side setup, but multiple taps. Yes, multiple taps. 15 minutes, the structure is still bullish. Gold is bullish. Whoever is new in this channel, do like this stream and subscribe to this channel. Let's grow together. Hmm. Would be a possible sell side trade from here. There will be times because of your rules, you lose your profitable trade. But these rules only will most of the time will save you from losing. Like for now, I usually capture this kind of trades only. Where is this freaking journal? You can see most of my trades are like this only. Two taps, liquidity grab, draw trend line, sell. This is how I trade basically. But there are multiple taps, which means the sellers are setting up. Sellers stop losses are up. Mm, let's peacefully wait. Subscribe and like them. Thanks, dude. Don't try to rush peacefully. Whenever you see your setup is formed, trade. If it's not formed, no problem, man. There will be no trading days also. That's fine. Does not mean that daily you have to trade, daily you have to see that open position. Not at all needed. Whenever your setup is formed, take. Whenever you feel confident in the setup, take. When you are not comfortable, not confident enough, totally fine. You can avoid the trade. Mm, go for a buy side trade if it crosses this level. But the thing here is, this kind of RR, we'll wait for one candle to close above this. Then the next candle, let it come down bottom wick. Then we can go for a buy side trade. This is the trend line which is being formed. This trade, no, it can. Whatever the outcome, I bloody freaking don't care. I have just followed my process, my checklist. Okay, just wait. uh, One candle to close here, next candle let it come retest, then we'll enter here so that we can push upside. This is the plan as of now. Let this one candle close. Listen, now I'll tell you one more trick. Okay, now what's the time? Okay, now 19, right? Go to shift to 5 minute time frame. There is just 40 seconds left to close for this candle. Whenever just before your entry, a new 5 minute candle is gonna form, right? Please avoid that entry because now I'll enter at buy side trade. Okay, new 5 minute candle will form. If it has to go up, it has to come down, make a bottom wick, then only it has to go up. Without bottom wick, there is no freaking candle. Wherever you see any buying candle, there is bottom wick. So if you buy here, your market will come to make a bottom wick, you'll get stopped out, then the market will push up. So now what we are doing is, let this candle close. Okay, fine, candle is closed. We'll wait for a bottom wick here. Market should come till here. We'll go for buy side trade from here. Let the market come down, make a bottom wick, then we'll go for buy side. Uh, Wait, I'll just take entry from the other account also. Even you guys, if you want, you can enter here if you get the price around here only. I want the stop loss to be small. Uh, let's wait little bit. Please नीचे आजा भाई. First time so many people are watching me. माँ बहन मत करे तो please. See here, I told you to wait for this bottom wick. Okay. Let market please आजा. I'll feel really bad if it goes up. I was expecting market to come till here at least. इधर से आकर एक bottom wick मारता ना, that'd be still more better. Okay, fine. Leave wallet. Buy side trade. If I'll go for a buy side pushing trade. Uh, I'm taking entry from my phone. Don't worry. इसके ऊपर जैसे ही जाता. Hey, where is this man? Where the stop loss is announced? Stop loss here. Let this candle flip. Uh, 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 uh. ये बॉटम विक है खाली. I have entered this trade. Stop loss I'll keep $2. Target 35 pips. सब कुछ हो गया. Now peacefully just watch it trade. Okay, we have followed our plan. Everything was predefined. Okay, nothing we have missed. आया नीचे ऐसे निकाल लिया. Then it made a 5-minute bottom wick. Then we have planned a buy side trade where it showed rejection from down. If it falls from here, takes our stop loss, that's fine. That's totally fine because we followed our plan. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Just I wish that it should not reverse from here. If it reverses from here, my heart will break. Pray that it should not reverse from here because we did everything right. Should I go with 0.01 small stop loss again? What do you think, guys? Should I go? I'll wait. If this green candle forms green, I'll go with 0.01 so that at least it will be recovered. Wrong idea. Selling is freaking weak. 1 second. Selling, if you see it, the selling is weak here. I'll try one more trade, okay, because I have not trade. I'll try one more trade. If it reverses from here now, because the selling is weak here. One last trade. If it reverses from here. If it does not reverses, will not go. New 5-minute candle. I'll enter it from here. Buy. Stop loss. Here. Done. Entry is done. Don't worry, my entry is done here. Okay. I want to enter with this also. The small stop loss of 10 pips. If it goes bottom wick. Trade is still open here. कुछ तो सही है. Market structure we followed. Everything is fine. Everything is at the right side. We have taken our trade. Trade is still open. Bad luck day. SL चला. That's fine. Here we had planned. It had went also to some extent in our favor. Green candle. But then it went down. क्या हुआ mistake करते हैं? Multiple tap. Waited for a pullback. Came down again. Waited. When a green candle. That's fine, guys. Everything was right here. Just that market did not support us. Let me just watch my own stream. While entry, what happened? I'll just see. Yeah, that's fine. No, everything is part of process. Okay, even losses. Wait, see what we did here. Our plan was simple, right? This one for BTC. Okay. We followed the structure. What was the structure? We followed the structure. Then trend line. Okay. We avoided this. We were waiting for a bottom wick here. Mhm. It was showing rejection from down. We took our entry. Fine. SL also we had placed. Forming a good green candle. At this point, it should have just crossed this level. That's fine. Sometimes trades fail. No one win rate is 100%. No one wins each and every freaking time. That's fine. Next trade will be more better trade. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. I'm not ashamed that my stop loss got hit. It's fine. I followed my process. Sometimes back, my TP also got hit in Bitcoin. Okay, my TP was also hit. Uh, it just came cost to cost. Or else it went around 35 pips. That's fine. कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं. Again, we'll grow. 10 lakh, 12 lakh. Oh, we drew this like this. Resistance now. Okay. Uh, Fine guys, I just got to know where did I go wrong. First thing, in the 5 minute time frame, there is just 1, 2, 3 taps, okay? And then here I just went to the 1 minute time frame, but that's fine. uh, 5 minute, clearly 2 to 3 taps, okay. Has the price already moved more than 20 pips after breakout? Wait, okay. So here what happened is, now whoever left the stream and went, na, they'll not come to know the logic. At least I'll not make this mistake again. Fine. So here what happened is, I was watching at the 1 minute time frame, but in 5 minute time frame there is just 1, 2, 3 taps, okay. 3 taps on this resistance, then gave a breakout. This breakout was around 23 pips, right? So according to my checklist, if the breakout is more than 20 pips, avoid the first entry, go for the second one. So we should have entered for the sell side here. But I was looking the market at 1 minute time frame, then I saw that it has consolidated here. That's why my view was for the buy side trade. But if I were looking the market at the 5 minute time frame, it would have not happened. Lesson learned. From next time I'll not do this mistake again. This trade was supposed to be like this, First entry avoid, enter on the second, sell side trade from here and capture 60 pips. This was supposed to be my trade, okay? फाइन, कोई बात नहीं. Stick to the higher 5 minute time frame. 1, 2, 3 taps in 5 minutes. Okay. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. I'll just journal this. 1 second, I'll just do live journaling in front of you guys. How I basically journal. Uh, this was the level. Okay. So from today we'll start a fresh start, okay? So from today I'll mention it. Sajid live journal. By the way, my name is Sajid. So today's date 11th of November. 11/11/2025. What was the time? Buy side trade 7:10, right? Time 7:10 p.m. Session was NY session. Pair was gold. My lot size was 0.02. Fine. So the outcome will mention here. Paste. This was the level marked in 5 set to 1 minute time frame. This is how even you guys can make a journal. It will be helpful for you guys. Uh, this is how it was looking in the 1 FTM. It had multiple taps. So I was looking for a buy side trade. Mistake here was I was focusing more on 1 minute AM rather than 5 time frame because of which my view was wrong towards buying. Okay, the right thing was to go for a sell side trade on hold on the second entry because the breakout was more than 20 pips. Okay, guys. So PNL minus $2 capital left dollar. How much is the capital left? 23.76. 23.76. So I have made this journal. So this is today's mistake. What we have done. Our view was wrong. So what mistake I did was, not you guys. What I did was, I was focusing on the 1 minute time frame. I was focusing on the 1 minute time frame, because of which my mindset was misleaded. Uh, from now I'll make sure I just watch the market at the 5 minute time frame, because in the 5 minute time frame there are only three swings, 1, 2, 3. This would have a possible sell side trade, because if you see here in the checklist, has price move already 20 plus feet before, like after the breakout, wait. And this means whenever all these things happen, now we have to avoid the first entry and go for the second entry. This is what my setup tells. Like, did a strong candle just close, wait for a pullback, clean and obvious. Then if there 5 minute new candle opening near entry, uh, and it does not have a top or bottom, wait. Then wait for a minor trend line break, check major trend line is forming near an entry. If a flashy candle forms near entry, avoid it, wait for second entry. Then if the market is sustaining before the breakout, wait. Then wait for the market to cross the level properly. Okay, so this is what I follow in this scenario. According to the 5 minute time frame, like the breakout was more than 20 pips here. From here we calculate, right? So around 25 pips, so we had to avoid this first entry, enter on the second. So we had to enter here for the sell side trade. I'm not blaming the market here. The mistake was mine. Fine. Did you guys also got what was my mistake in this trade? Is there anyone watching me, or I'm alone just speaking something? If anyone is expecting that, if anyone is seeing my stream, then only targets will hit. Not gonna happen, bro. Hmm. Stop loss will hit. Stop loss gets hit. Main thing is you have to realize what was the mistake. If there is no realization, then it's wrong thing. But I've realized my mistake. That means I've done something good. The loss which I had made, which it was my tuition fees. It was my tuition fees. Basically, certain market should remind me that you had broken your own rules. So we'll start marking levels at 5 minute time frame and watching the market at 5 minute time frame only. Oh, okay. Am I guys adding any value if you're giving me your time, if you're watching me? भाई BTC कर लेना, बाई कर लेना 1 उसी के किधर पे भाई? 4058. क्यों? What is the logic behind? Tell me the logic, I'll follow. What's the logic behind that? There should be some logic, right? Buy करना है, sell करना है. Randomly you cannot buy sell. And if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe to the channel. Daily I come live. Daily we learn something or the other new thing. 4058. Yeah, from here. क्योंकि आधे घंटे की सप्लाई वहीं तक है तो खत्म हो गई. So you're telling me to buy on this breakout structure above this level. इसके ब्रेकआउट पर बाई करने बोल रहे हो? If you want, you can buy, bro. This is not my setup. No, that's a trap. Trap where? Wait. First of all, the proper level is this, from where it's going up. Where is the track? As you tell, if I put a tool here and my stop loss below this level, TP will be here. Wait, you'll get to see just in 10 minutes. Okay, fine, bro. This is not basically my setup, so I don't know. If it's your setup, you can enter, you can make money. Happy for you. Here's market opening. That's why. ठीक है. By the way, it's on 8:30. New York market opens. Yeah. No, it's a pre-opening. Actual opening is on 8:30. Who are watching, subscribe to the channel, man. Arey bhai, I'm just regretting why the hell did I just shift to 1 minute time frame. 146. Hmm. This was supposed to be trade, which I should have captured. Okay, bro. 30 minute time frame, the supply from. Okay, fine. Put it on today's 9 o'clock and then see. You're telling IST or which time frame? 7 November. 7 November 11:30. 11:30 am. Okay, this thing telling from here to 8 p.m. here. So this is the zone you are telling. भाई मेरे को ज़्यादा कुछ सीखने. I don't want to learn extra things. I knew few concepts which I know properly. अच्छा. Are you trying to tell that MMC? Bro, my it's like, acha, you're telling this thing, right? 30-minute time frame. So like this. Okay, so you're trying to tell me MMC, right? Measure this, then copy this same thing and go and apply that body to body, right? Sorry, bro, but I cannot understand this because I've never practiced this. If you know this concept, well and good. I only know liquidity, demand, and supply. This is what I know, in which today I failed, just because I broke my own rules. Do anyone have problem that I broke my own rule? Did, did you guys copy my trade, my buy side trade, and lose any money? No, right? I have to make a habit of looking the market at 5-minute time frame. I always shift to 1-minute time frame because of which my whole psychology changes. I have to shift to 5-minute time frame permanently. Only for the entries I have to go for 1-minute time frame. When I'm like you guys only. Make mistake, learn. Make mistake, learn. Bro, if you want seriously flip the amount, use MMC 30-minute. Uh, bro, can you capture this 140 pips by using your MMC? Can you capture this spread by using your MMC? Yes, I have. Tell me the logic. Should I say how? Go to Google Meet, type this. No, no, go to Google Meet and this is the code. I'll give you the entry. This is the code. Then I'll tell you how I captured it. Everyone's trading style is different, man. You cannot compare. And tell me genuine logic. Okay, don't tell kuch bhi ulta pulta. Uh, I think for you also I have to show you that same picture. There is a guy who knows everything here. Okay, he knows hell lots of topics, but he could not capture even one fish. There is a guy who knows simple few things, but say his boat it's filled. So I want to be that simple guy. That's it. This is just one mistake because of which my view changed because I was just looking the market at 1-minute time frame, but that's fine. Now I've learned from it. I'll just look at the 5-minute time frame. I had to look for buying only and only if this was more than 30 to 40, like 40 to 50 pips breakout. Then only I could have gone for buying side trade. Till then it was on sell side trade only. It was my mistake, and which I accept. I am not ashamed. The other mistake here was the buying was slow here. Reversal was fast. That clearly shows that the buyers are not in control, the sellers are in control. This will go easily till here 180 pips. कोई बात नहीं. We'll learn from our mistakes. And if whoever are new in this stream, they can like this stream and subscribe to the channel. Let me in you admit. Hello, am I audible? Is there any gold? Yeah, gold buy. You can look from here, bro. Now a breakdown, then a liquidity graph, then buy from here. Gold we can buy from here. If we look at 5-minute time frame, it can come here and go like this. You're not audible, dude. Whoever you are, you're not audible. You're not audible, man. Yeah, I can see you're raising your hand, but you're not audible to me. But whoever is watching for gold buy side trade, to be careful because here the selling is a bit sharp. One second, man. One second. Speak now. Yeah, now you're audible. Tell me. Hello, 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 guys. You can hear me. Gold freaking crash from that level. Seems sorry. Today it was my mistake because of which I cannot make any money. But tomorrow, same day, we'll try to print good tips. Okay. Let's end the stream. Thanks for joining in. Let's freaking go right now.